I have problem. So let's go check it's good or not. I want clean tools because
okay.
these tools are sour by and I not so use. I don't know how use. That's why
I'll introduce, huh?
good for your business. Yeah.
Okay, good. Sige.
Look, guys, it's amazing.
This is my style.
What is it? Wow!
Oh.
Oh my God! It's you, though?
Yes, I'll do it. I do.
Oh my God! Other part of car. This you put for end, I remember. Next time you send me a photo or video.
Okay, thank you.
When subscribe.
Okay,
I remove first the tradition.
Hello, guys. I long time not been dentist, so I have problem. You will see right now. Don't be scared. People tell Sunday people work 9-10 o'clock. Let's go check it's good or not. Hello. I want clean tools. Do you have?
A dentist?
Yeah.
No. Friday.
But yeah.
Sunday. Yeah.
Do you know Pila just clean tools?
1,000.
Okay, good. Mayo buntag.
Hi, good morning.
Hello. We tell before for kuya niet asawa.
Asawa,
Yeah.
For single, simple living,
Simple living, focus for love.
for love, happy family. Happy family. Meet the family.
We meet first time, but I feel you're so kind and cool, funny. Yeah, so cute.
Simple.
And not only friendly, you're super friendly. Plus hospitality. Like, oh, please go eat something. Well, if you want to understand, we're not planning meet today. We meet first time. We're not planning like a video. He don't know for I come this camera and he don't know I do some luck. It's all just like yeah. So thank you so much. Thank you for food.
Welcome. All the simple.
A lot of
Simple food. Fresh.
super masarap. Kung nakinilaw.
Kinilaw. Kamote. Like kamote.
But I hope for healthy drink you drink it.
What? The best. Herbal. Oh, herbal.
Yeah.
Herbal, oh. Ginger, lemongrass, lemon. So good.
Becoming healthy.
There.
Stop. Matabagawas. Why you go dentist? Or it's your like how you have idea? Oh, I want be dental. How it's coming? Do you remember?
I started in the school and graduated 1997. Since 1997 in Manila. Manila Central University.
You have studied in
Studied in Manila.
Oh.
First, I chose this a dentistry course because my family have a family business. My father is a dentist.
Your father.
Yes.
Family business.
Yes. And then my mother is a businesswoman.
We put Kuya Facebook, so you can send message if you need something and come. Okay, can you show me your house? It's so interesting and cool.
Welcome. Okay, I show you. This is Volkswagen.
All not standard, amazing. Look, he all have not standard. I like creative something. It's so much like. Look, guys, it's amazing. Kisami not standard, all not standard. Oh wow.
Volkswagen tail.
It's your hobby, make something.
This is my style.
This is
okay. This is my clinic.
this. Okay.
My clinic.
Super.
This is.
Oops. Upa.
It's simple.
Yeah.
Simple clinic. In Davao City.
Okay, understand. Understand. You do. What is that?
That is trend.
Cool.
Trend. Music room for.
Wow,
You want to sing Mike DJ Karaoke?
Yeah. So nice.
Okay, yeah.
Wow. Oh my God.
You look like
I think about
aquarium.
this. I think about it.
aquarium.
I see many already. I say photo, and I think for we make this. You already realization. Wow.
This my style, huh?
Super.
That's my style.
Super. Who makes this?
I make this one.
You make.
I'll make. Oh, because I requested the furniture, make a floor below, and then I put the
And you make all for your hand?
plastic. Then the flooring,
Wow.
bamboo, sand. Okay, style. That's my style.
It's your hobby, right? You do?
So,
Wow. Yeah. And this you do?
Okay.
It's you do?
Yes, I do it. I do.
Oh my God.
I do.
Big respect for your
With the wiring, lights, simple.
Amazing.
Oh, what's the no? Oh,
Amazing.
it's a native style.
I like so much.
Native style.
So much.
Oh.
Other part part of car.
Oh.
This you put for rent, I remember.
Oh. It's home for rent.
How much you put rent?
For monthly, 5K monthly. Oh. New aircon.
Good. And also not standard mirror. Oh, you also save what ulan water
Ulan water.
from this?
Yes, ulan with sometimes no ulan water. I have a deep well.
Oh, you can
Water pump.
Okay.
Oh, water pump.
I also save all ulan water for my water tank. I have
water pump.
10,000 liters.
2,000. Oh, Volkswagen. Very old. Very old though.
No, but that's cool. It's very interesting what you do.
Oh.
How many apartments in Baba?
Here, at Ababak apartment. No, I have
No, this. It's only one apartment.
only one as a whole.
Can I check for 1 second?
Oh, okay. But
Never mind.
Yes.
I know.
so embarrassing too.
No, never mind. Next time you send me a photo or video
Okay, thank you.
when subscribe.
Okay,
Okay, thank you. Sorry for destroy.
Oh.
After we clean tooth, I can drink anything same time.
Drink? Yes. Oh, when? Ay, oh.
Okay, we talk later. Let's go do clean tooth.
Clean? Yes, you clean.
I'm ready.
Okay. No smoke.
Well,
Yeah.
I smoke when I drink.
Okay. Oh. Spacing, huh? I remove first the kadisa, you know, before doing.
I come back home already. We finished process for clean my tooth and whole we been up. You can see. good job or not. I put link. If you want, come. You have contact address and any information. Battery low before, and I not take extra charger. It's why, and extra battery I not bring. It's why video not full before. But totally we finished. So I come back home. Mission complete. And now I do more smile because it was white and clean. So thank you for look. I'm Pink. See you next video.